Today we're going to be growing our own snowflakes. We're going to start by adding 4 cups of water to this pot, and then I'm going to put 1.5 cups of borax powder into the water, and we're going to heat it up so that it starts to boil. Now what we're doing here is we are creating a supersaturated solution. Now when the water is room temperature, it can't dissolve all of the borax powder, but as we heat the water, the molecules will expand and move farther apart, allowing more room for the borax to dissolve. Then, when all of the borax is dissolved, we'll start to slowly cool our solution. You can see here it's boiling, and now that it's cooled a little bit, we're going to pour it into these jars. It's still quite warm, and you can see the borax is still dissolved. Now we're going to put some pipe cleaners shaped like snowflakes into the jars. And as the solution cools, the borax leaves the solution because there's no more room for it in the water, and it will form on our pipe cleaners. The pipe cleaners are acting as a nucleation site where the borax molecules can land. And as you can see, they make these beautiful crystal snowflakes. The snowflakes are quite hard and durable and make great decorations for holidays. And you could do this with any shape. You could make hearts, you could make just a straight stick on a string, you could use just about any shape to make any kind of crystal, but here we have our snowflakes. These snowflakes took about 1 hour to form. If you leave them overnight, they will grow bigger. And once you're done making your crystals, you want to be very careful of how you handle the solution. You don't want to pour this down the drain because it will crystallize in your drain pipes and cause problems. So I always put mine in a separate container and then let it solidify and cool down, and then I will just throw that container into the trash. So hopefully you've enjoyed making these snowflakes. And until next time, keep discovering.